So we have our order ready to go, and now we want to invoice it. We want to be able to give a invoice to our people that work in our store to go pull the product to get ready to ship it. And we also want an email to go off to our customer to let them know that we have the product and it's being processed. So let's go ahead and click this order, and we'll see exactly how easy this is. Now, we see this Invoices tab right here, and there's not going to be anything, as well as no credit memos, no shipments, and just our needed additional goods comment from the comments history. And you'll notice there's nothing under transactions either. So let's go up to information, and let's check this out. Everything looks good. We don't need to add any comments. And perfect, ready to invoice this. So let's click Invoice. And you'll notice it creates this new invoice page with the complete product information. We can actually even go through and make sure that everything is good before we're ready to go in terms of quantities or anything like that. And at the grand total, we can even add comments on the invoice. And let's check this email copy of an invoice, because we'll email a copy of this to our customer. Notice how it's unchecked by default. So if we click Submit Invoice, an invoice is now being created. Although we don't see anything from our order view here, we can go to Invoices and see that we have this invoice here, billed to me, its status is paid. So the customer has come in and paid. So let's click this button here, and this opens the invoice as we saw it. The only difference is it doesn't allow us to make any changes. We can just add comments on it. So if we want to send another email, we can always click the Send Email button and it'll send. However, it does tell us that the invoice email was already sent. So we don't want to do that. However, we want to print this out. So let's click this Print button. And this is going to create a PDF for us. So let's click this PDF and check it out. Well, this is the default invoice that Magento creates. It is like a packing slip or something like that. We basically just have a list of our products with the price, the tax, the subtotal, and our grand total. It also has who it's sold to, who it's shipped to, the shipping method, the payment information, the order and invoice number. Pretty much any bit of important information we want to see is going to be on this piece of paper. And then we can choose to do with this whether we want to use this as a packing slip or a pull slip or anything like that. So we've now invoiced this order, and we've packed everything all up, and it's ready to be shipped. Well, in the next video, we're going to show you how to complete the order process and ship this order.